Welcome to our guest. This is 238 Penguin Close, Grotto Bay. Just a quick introduction video, just to help you settle in a bit more comfortable. Here we have our vegetable garden, some herbs, some fruits. It's obviously seasonal. Like right now, there's some 2 cucumbers. Please feel free to eat off our garden. Should you go to the beach and would like to rinse your feet, there's a hose pipe. Our koi babies, that they are looked after. As you enter the house, there's all the beach equipment, cooler box, picnic basket, an umbrella and some beach chairs. Over here, under the clock, we've got our Wi-Fi password, which is under the Smith & Smith Hayes extension. 1945 capital N Nitcock is the password. Our communal lounge area, which I will get started with the kitchen. Over here we've got our air fryer, pots and pans, there's some backup spices, our oven and stove. Should this clock be on 000 or 0000, that means that it's load shedding. Please, we ask you to be mindful using kettles, microwaves and ovens during load shedding, as we cannot guarantee the battery capacity. But if it is on 0000, this clock of the oven needs to then be set before you can put the oven on and set it. And here you can move up and down, choosing your temperature as well as what setting you would require for your cooking. And then this would be for on. Okay, let's put that off. Here's got some coffee and coffee machine. We do try and recycle. So we ask you, we've got 2 bins over here, 1 for paper, 1 for glass, 1 for plastic, and the little red one in the kitchen for anything else. Our best friend ice maker. At the back we do have a washing line. There's some more celery, some basil. Here you would find the broom and some pegs, all the cleaning detergents as well as the dishwasher and washing machine. We do have some filtered water, the aircon as well as our electric insect killer, and a bottle of wine for you to welcome yourselves. Over here we've got the pool table, which is also our table tennis. We ask that if you open the table that you just remove it sideways, as there is a little clip. In this first drawer over here we've got the table tennis net that clips on this deck with the bats as well as the balls. Some games. In here there is also a little bit of games for the kids and some beer pong. Over here it's should there be a lot of sun, we use the remote just to set our preference in terms of if we require any shading. Over here, dining room table. Should you be more than 8 people, we ask that there's a little bench over there. If you can just move it over and accommodate yourselves. Outside area where we smoke. The doors can fully stack open. Over there we've got a Weber that can be used outside on the deck, as well as the pool floaties, some blankets over here, and our dart board. Please, we ask no darts after 10 at night. If you would like to make a fire late at night or even braai, please, we ask that you help yourselves with the firewood, but please make the fire as far back as you possibly can, just to prevent any accidental fires. The pool, there's some strawberries and basil and thyme and wild rocket over there. And here we've got some rosemary and some more basil. Our famous Bluetooth speaker, it's Woom, under Woom. Fireplace, some wood. First door over here, there's some firelighters, a braai lamp and some lighters. And here you would find the candles and sage. If anyone is musical, please help yourselves to make some music. The first room over here, you will find swimming towels in all the rooms. Communal bathroom, big shower, toilet, basin and lovely bath. All the towels that you would need. The second room. And the first cupboard over here, just some first aid, should you need anything. Going up to the top bedrooms. This is our hobbies games room. If anyone is interested in some painting, we've got some kids activities, colouring books, some famous rock painting. We usually pick rocks from the beach or pebbles, and then we come and paint them. There's some colours as well as paint origami, which is your famous paper folding. Extra screen for any PlayStation or so. The back, we've got 3D pen and some gel ink for it. Into the main bedroom. TV is connected to Netflix. Into the bathroom, shower, as well as toilet.